Do you want to know how you can manage public keys on Wise? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage the key on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open any type of browser, go to wise.com and log into your account. What you need to do next is go to your profile and click on settings. Then scroll all the way down and find API tokens. And you can see manage public keys over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. So you can see that there are no public keys for you to access right now. So if there are any public keys, you can see that you can go to the view documentation page and you can even add a new key. And this way you can add the public keys or manage them as well. So talking about API tokens, you can see that you can delete this token or edit the token which you have created. Now talking about the manage public keys, you can go ahead and manage public keys, but first of all, as part of these, we no longer support assigning API requests, so currently they are not taking any public keys, but after a while you can add new keys and manage your public keys easily using Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.